fix Windows 11 freezes on startup or booting. So if your Windows 11 device actually is freezing during startup process whenever you're booting to your computer, there could be many reasons behind this. First of all, it could be many startup applications which is running in the background. So you have to disable those startup apps by simply going to your task manager, as you could see the task manager option right here. And once you've done that, you can simply go on the left hand side at the top left and select the option that says Startup Apps. Here you will be able to see a list of applications that opens up during startup. So of course you can right click on it and disable those startup applications. Now do not make sure to disable the Windows system applications over here because they are essential for booting your computer. Only the third party ones, if you don't recognize it, then you can try to delete that. Now you can also try to check if your Windows is updated to the latest version. So of course you can go to Windows Update from settings, check for any sort of recent updates you have. If you do, make sure to install it to the latest version, and also make sure that you have got plenty of storage on the C drive left. If there is any unnecessary files, just make sure to delete them, empty out your recycle bin, clear the cache files, and so on, and that should help you speed up your computer a bit. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.